And welcome back to Good Things Utah, everybody. Dr. Michelle Jorgensen and Dr. Ashley Hyde joining me now. They are from Total Care Dental. This is located in American Fork. These two are moms, and these two are also taking a totally different approach to dentistry. Dr. Jorgensen, tell me what that is.
Because we're moms, we think about things that moms think about. So if your child has a cavity, do you just want it filled, or do you want to find out why they actually got the cavity? And what you can do to prevent them from getting another cavity. I can't tell you how many guilty moms I see. You know, moms come in, we say, oh, they have 5 cavities, and the mom goes, oh, kill me now.
What did I do?
We're brushing. Exactly,
what did I do?
What did I do? What did I do? What's wrong? So we take a real whole body approach. So we talk about nutrition, what you should eat to not get cavities. How you should care for your teeth, but honestly, people know that already, right? You know how to brush
We're
teeth.
just not, yeah.
People know how to do it.
Sometimes we're not doing it.
Sometimes you're not doing it. So we take a real whole body approach to this, instead of just plugging your holes.
You were telling me this is holistic, so this is that mind, body, mouth approach,
Everything.
not just your mouth when you go in to see the dentist. All right, they said they would share with us the top 3 secrets in dentistry that may be affecting your mouth more than you know. And the first one, I cringed a little bit because it's the soda shops.
Everybody cringed.
Love. In fact, Jay, hand that over. You even have a word for your mouth if you drink a lot of this. What is it?
Yeah, dew mouth. It's known in the dental journals as dew mouth because it causes so many problems. The picture that's on the screen is the starting of it. This is when it just starts. It's just little. It's not too bad. And I drive by those soda shops, and there's lines around the block, right? This is as it's getting worse now.
Is that from sugar?
Yeah, that's from
Really?
soda.
From soda.
So I know one of my assistants is going to egg us from being on here today because several of our assistants
love soda.
Everybody here on the set's going to egg us for being on because
everyone.
we know everybody does this, right? Everybody drinks soda. Everybody does. So instead of just telling you not to do this ever, because we know that's not realistic, we're going to talk about some ways that you can drink it and do less damage.
Okay, so Dr. Hyde, how would you do that?
Okay, well, one thing you can do is drink through a straw, because who wants cavities on your front teeth, right? The straw, you can shove it back there as far as you can, and it'll at least bypass the front teeth, and then you'll be okay on those front ones. Something else you can do is chug the soda. And I'm not talking just soda, but energy drinks and Gatorade powder. You know, the sports drinks have a lot of acid in them too, and the acid is bad. The sugar turns to acid, which is bad, but the acid is also bad. So I don't know if it's the best for your gut to chug it, but for your teeth, it's really good.
Are you saying sipping it for hours on end is worse for your teeth than just getting it down?
Right, right. So no sipping, because every sip is an acid attack on your teeth, and so hard for your body to try to neutralize that and get it back when you're constantly doing it.
Should you rinse? Would that help after having a soda?
After you have a soda, it's so important to rinse with water. You don't want to brush because your teeth are a little bit...
Never brush after.
Yeah, because they're a little bit softer. They're weakened. And so if you brush, you're kind of brushing your teeth away. So we want you to rinse with water, not lemon water, because lemon's acidic as well, but rinse with water, and you can brush your teeth about 30 minutes after.
We're headed into Halloween season and the big candy season for kids. Does the same go for all those sugary treats the kids are putting in their mouth?
Yes, definitely. Those will, and frequency is the big thing, right? So the more candy you're eating all day, it's worse than all at once.
Tell them to eat the whole bag that night. That's what I tell my kids to do. Eat it all tonight, kids. It's going away tomorrow.
I remember walking home with it and like shoving it in my mouth.
Yep, do it.
I knew my mom would take it when I got home.
Yep,
okay, you also say that cavities in adults too can be a sign of so much more than just sugar on your teeth. They relate to your health. What do you mean by that?
And not just cavities. Everything that we see in your mouth, infection, other issues, really do tell us a lot about your health. If you think about it, your mouth is really your lifeline. This is where we get all of our nutrition. This is how we express ourselves. This is how we get oxygen. Everything comes through our mouth. And so we can see a lot about the rest of you by looking at your mouth. We can tell what you eat, what you don't eat. We can even tell if you're getting what you need out of what you eat. And that's what a lot of people are missing nowadays. So if you have cavities and you feel like, I'm doing everything I know to do, it may be that you actually have some problems with absorbing what you need from your food. So we have a lot of ideas and things that we share with our patients about that. If you have children that have cavities and you can't figure out why they keep getting them.
It might be a symptom of something else going on.
It is a symptom of something else going on.
We have a couple seconds left to talk about, you also don't like the mouth makeovers necessarily, but you have a more natural way that you like to do that.
Yeah, you know, my husband, I I wouldn't even do a smile makeover on my husband because we have to remove so much tooth structure usually to do those. And so in our office, we do a technique called Durathins. They're little contacts that go on the teeth, and you don't have to take away tooth structure to make a beautiful smile.
It's the only way I
really
do it.
nice.
I teach this to other dentists because very few people do this. We don't feel good about doing smile makeovers. We do a lot of smile makeovers. We're actually really good at them, but we don't
It's a
do them the
different way.
traditional way.
It's a different way.
Because this is conservative and it's going to last forever this way.
Holistic approach to dentistry. That's what they do at Total Care Dental. That's located in American Fork. That's their website right there. Go to our website. We'll link you to all the information, goodforutah.com/GTU. You'll meet Dr. Jorgensen and Dr. Hyde, who's actually my gorgeous niece, who I love. Pregnant with your third, and you look gorgeous. Thanks, you two, for being here.